Hi, my name is Dana Alibrandi. I'm on the product team at Stormex, and this is a demonstration of the mobile app experience for the Stormex debit card, which is launching in the United States in Q1 2022. So it is December 7th, 2021, and with that being said, let's dive in. I'm going to try and get through this relatively quickly, and let's go. So as you might notice, there is now a card icon in the bottom nav, so we'll start by clicking that. And yay, the waitlist is over. I can finally sign up. So I click open my account. And at this point, we have to collect a bunch of information on who you are as part of banking compliance measures. So we need your name, date of birth, pretty standard stuff if you've ever applied to a bank account online before. I hit continue. We also need an address. P.O. boxes are not accepted, so it has to be a residential address. And we also need to go through KYC or Know Your Customer compliance measures. So let's say I provide my driver's license. I need to provide the number and the expiration date. I hit continue. And at this point, we have a Stormex debit card password. So this is an extra layer of security on top of the normal Stormex debit card or the normal Stormex password. And this is just because we want your funds to be as safe as they possibly can be. So I agree to the terms of service, and now my documents are being reviewed. This can take a lot shorter than 10 minutes. It just sort of depends. And in the case that your documents fail or there's some sort of issue with them, you will automatically be added to a support ticket. Support tickets will be sent to the Stormex team and our banking partner, and we'll get that resolved as fast as we reasonably can. At this point, we also ask people to enroll in Face ID so they don't have to enter their password every time they want to see their debit card balance. So I click OK, it recognizes my face, and now I'm into the main experience of the app. So this is what we're calling our home screen, and our home screen is comprised of what we're calling widgets, which are these card-based layout components. So clicking on the Customize Widgets button, you can see that there are a couple of different options here. And this is an area of the application that we're going to be adding to a lot over time. In fact, most of these widgets will probably not be here at launch, but we will be adding new ones over time. So I click Done. Let's go into this Recent Transactions widget so I can view all of the transactions I've spent on my card. I can type and search by merchant name. So let's say I search by DoorDash. I can find all of the times that I've used my card at DoorDash. At a glance, I can see the rewards I've earned from that purchase. I can also click into that transaction and see further details about the purchase. This says Amazon, but in reality, it would say DoorDash. Let's go back. And yeah, so at this point, we have three big flows that we need to go through. We have settings, we have depositing funds onto the card, and then we have withdrawing or transferring funds off of the card. So I'll start with settings. So on this page, this is where you go into the administrative components of the card. Because of compliance measures on our banking partner side, we can't actually send you your debit card number. We can only send you an image of that number, so you are not able to copy and paste directly within the app. But if you click this View Card Details button here, you'll be able to see your number, your expiration date, your CVV. You'll have all of the information you need in order to transact online. We also added this Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Samsung or Google Wallet in order to make it as easy as possible to transact using your phone at any contactless terminal. So I can click this Freeze Your Card toggle. So this should be pretty familiar to people that have used online banking before. This just blocks your card from transactions. So in the event that you lose your card or it gets stolen, you can, feel confident and you can rest assured that no one else will be using your card. We also have this awesome frozen animation here that I love. So yeah, that's that. Most of these other areas are pretty standard banking settings, but I will go into a couple of them. View limits and fees. So we just believe in transparency. We believe that you should always know how much it costs for your card to take certain actions. The good news is that this page is incorrect in that most of the fees that you are seeing here won't actually be added to your card. We are covering most fees, and there is a small question about foreign transaction fees that we're working to resolve. But besides that, your card should be basically free to use. On the benefits side, we just have a page that lets you know everything that you gain from your card. This page will change over time, especially as we add new benefits to the card. But we allow you to upgrade your level. We allow you to see how much cash back you're receiving from Amazon, as well as what your just general shopping tier is. So that's everything on settings. Let's go into deposit. So we have 3 different ways that you can add money to your account. You can transfer from your rewards balance, you can receive funds from another wallet, and you can also deposit cash at nearby stores that are participating on our card issuers reload network. So I'll start with transferring from rewards. So I have $39 that I can transfer. I hit continue. I have a confirmation screen letting me know what that amount is in StormX as well as in USD. And I hit transfer and it's done. It's that easy. So we assume that after that you would go back to the main screen, but let's say we have more to deposit. So I'll go into add funds. I will click receive from third-party wallet. And this should be pretty familiar to people that are longtime cryptocurrency users. I have a QR code, so if I have another device, I can scan this QR code in order to get the address and then transfer funds that way. I can click copy and then copy the address and share it to my friends. I can also click this share dialog and get information on sharing it from here as well. And lastly, I can deposit at stores on the Reload network. So in order for this feature to work, which is heavily based on a map, we need your location. If you're not comfortable giving us your location, you can still search by address. But let's say that we are. So I provided my location. And these are examples of real stores that you'll be able to reload your card at. So on this screen, I can scroll around the map. I can search for different locations. So let's say I type in Walgreens. Walgreens shows up. I have a button here that will give me directions to the nearest Walgreens in either Maps or Google Maps or whatever sort of map software you have on your device. Ooh, I hit cancel. I go back. And that's everything on deposits. So lastly, we'll go through withdrawals. I click that, and all withdrawals from the wallet or from the debit card account are a cryptocurrency wallet-to-wallet transaction. So you need an ERC20 wallet address for this to work. I click Add Wallet. I paste in my address, and then I also give this wallet a name so I know what it is when I have to withdraw again in the future. So this is my Coinbase wallet. I hit update, and now that option is available. And I can also add other options like maybe my KuCoin address if I want to withdraw to there in the future. But for now, I want to withdraw to Coinbase. I click that. Now I have a dialog letting me know how much money I can withdraw. So I also can toggle between USD and StormX. So I've decided to withdraw everything. I hit continue. And now I have a confirmation screen. It shows me the USD amount and the StormX amount. It shows me where I'm withdrawing to, and I can change this if I want. It also shows me any fees associated with this withdrawal. So this fee estimate is not accurate. And internally within StormX, we're still trying to figure out how we want to handle those fees. But this will be a typical Ethereum gas fee as of now. I hit withdraw, and that transfer is complete. So now I'm back on my main screen. Those were all of the major flows of the debit card. If you're watching and you're wondering where are the offers, they are coming, they are still here. That portion of the application is still in development, which is why I haven't showed it. But just as a quick little teaser, let's click this local offers widget. And this will probably how we surface a lot of offers to the users. We'll put them in the form of different widgets that allow people to find places to eat, clothing, any other sort of merchant that might be around in their nearby area. And that's it. That's the app. I appreciate you guys, watching this and hopefully enjoying it. If you have any feedback, we're extremely open to it. We are really eager to hear your thoughts and your comments. Please follow us on Twitter if you don't. Leave your comments there or in Discord. And thanks for your time. Bye.